Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tawny and today I'm going to show you how to do 60s makeup step by step for beginners. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, then please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my viewers family. Also, like this video if you enjoy this tutorial and comment below as your opinion is valuable to me. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. You gotta clean your face before applying any makeup. I am gonna use a primer first. I will give you the detail of all of my makeup items in the description box below. I am gonna cover my whole face and neck. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this concealer which has the shade of medium tawny around my eyebrows and on my eyelids. And also on my under eyes, bridge of my nose, chin, and on those places where I have dark shades. Once that's done, I'm gonna take a wet beauty blender and blend the concealer. Keep in mind though, I'm not rubbing my blender here, just dabbing it gently. When it's done, I'm gonna take a loose face powder which is from Airspun and then seal the concealer with the powder. I am using a foundation brush for it. It's from Olivia Grace. Then I'm going to take this brownish beige shade from Profusion Vanity and apply on my brow bone area. I'm using an eyeshadow brush for it, and this is going to give me a light shadow on my brow bone area. And then I'm going to take this darker brown color and apply a little bit lower than the brow bone area and also try to blend in the corner. And that will give me a nice depth. Then I'm gonna take this charcoal color and start applying from corner of my eyes to my mid-lid and then blend it well. You can already see there is a nice shadow in my eyes. But I have to make a big eye look like 60s, so I'm gonna take my concealer and draw a neat line underneath. I'm sure you can see what I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna take my wet beauty blender and blend it nicely. Then I'm gonna take a nude shade from Rimmel London and define it even more. I'm not gonna just draw the line outside, I'm gonna also draw on my waterline. Then I'm gonna take Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner which is black, and then I'm gonna draw as neatly as possible and draw the wing outward. When the length looks okay, I'm gonna fill it up and make it look wider. Then I'm gonna fill it up and join the line towards my inner corner, towards the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm gonna draw a small line underneath. So this is gonna be a double wing, and you have to look straight to the mirror so that it does not look wavy or anything. It has to be straight. It has to be straight upward. When it's done, I'm gonna take a COVERGIRL eyeliner brush and then mix the black and gray shades together and blend it on top of the eyeliner. I'm gonna take a flat brush from MAC and clean up the areas. Then I'm gonna take this charcoal shade and draw the eyebrow as neatly as possible. When that's done, I'm gonna take this silvery shade and highlight my eyebrows, especially on the arch. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this waterproof mascara and apply on my upper and lower eyelashes. This time I'm gonna take a dramatic lashes to enhance the look, because the main focus of 60s makeup was the eyes and the makeup was always elaborate. So the big lashes will be perfect for the look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the mascara once again so that the real and fake lashes can merge together. I'm gonna take this foundation from COVERGIRL and the number is 155, and again I'm gonna apply with my Wet Beauty blender. The shade is exactly like my skin color, so it will not look like overdone or too much white. It will cover all my dark spots, but just because it has a nice coverage, my skin will look flawless. Once I'm done, once again I'm gonna cover my whole face with loose face powder because I want my makeup to be long lasting. For contouring, I'm gonna cream contour this time, and I will just apply a little bit with my Wet Beauty blender so that it does not look overdone. Then I'm gonna take this rose silk shade from COVERGIRL, apply on apple of my cheeks and little bit on tip of my nose, because that will give me a younger and fresher look. Then I'm gonna take this shade from the Manizer sisters and highlight my face. I am using my fingertips instead of any brush or blender, because in that way you will get more subtle look. Then I'm gonna take this shade from Rimmel London and draw my lip. It's not for defining the outline. I am doing this to hide all the different shades I have on my lips, so it will be a base for my lipstick. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take a maroon lip liner and draw the outline. Now I have defined my lips. Now it's time for the lipstick. I'm gonna take this 977 Passionate Pink color from Loreal and apply the lipstick. I know my lips are looking a little tacky, but there was nothing I could do at this point because the weather was really dry today. Even though I applied a lot of Vaseline, it still looks dry. I don't know what to do. Then I'm gonna apply this lip gloss from Napoleon PERDIS and just dab a little. For the complete look, I'm wearing a headband and also some accessories which will match with the era. I really hope you liked this tutorial, and if you have any question, please comment below and let me know. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a big thumbs up if you really like this video, and share with your friends and families, and please click the subscribe button below if you haven't done yet, and also the bell icon so that you can stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube, because I upload every week. I'm so glad you guys are here. This place is awesome. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.